Hello everyone, it's me Infinite Designer. Today we are going to make this type of message animation using motion tracking in Alight Motion app. We will cover this entire animation in 2 tutorials. In this first tutorial, I will teach you that how to create this type of message animation. And in the next part of this tutorial, I will teach you that how to do motion tracking in Alight Motion to achieve this kind of message animation. So in this video, we are going to make the message animation. So let's jump into Alight Motion. Okay, so this is the home screen of Alight Motion app. Now click on the plus button and make an element. So if you make an element, then there is no background. So just add a rectangle of any color and make a background. Now adjust the length of the background as per your video. Now first of all, add a text and write your first message. Give it a white color. Now add a rounded rectangle. And place it behind the text. Adjust the size of the rectangle and then round its corners. Now select the text and rectangle layer, then make a group of them by clicking this button. Now place it like this. Now simply duplicate this group and place it after the first group. Then go to Edit Group. Now change the text and add another message. Adjust the length of the rectangle. Change its color also. Now again duplicate this group. Place this duplicated group after the second group. Now again go to Edit Group and type another message. Adjust the rectangle again. Change its color again. Similarly, repeat this process and make another message. You can make messages as much as you want by this same process. Now select the first message and add a Gaussian blur effect on it. Now add keyframes at 0 and 1 seconds. Set the strength at 0.150 on first keyframes and decrease it to 0 on second keyframe. Smooth the animation by using this graph. Now go to blending options and add keyframes at 0 and 1 seconds. Now decrease the opacity to 0 at first keyframe. Use this graph again. By this, you will get the blurry appearing animation. Now make this similar animation on the second message. Make this animation between 3 and 4 seconds. Give a gap of 2 seconds between every message. Now again make this animation on the third message. Make keyframes at 6 and 7 seconds for this message. At last, add keyframes at 9 and 10 seconds to animate the last message. Now add a null layer. Now select the first message and pair that message with null layer by using this option. Similarly, pair every message layer with null object. Now go 20 seconds and drag the null object down. Now make keyframes at 0 and 1 seconds. Now come to first keyframe and drag the null object little bit down. Paste that graph here also. Now make keyframes at 3 and 4 seconds. Go to 4 seconds keyframe and drag the null object little bit up. Similarly, add keyframes at 6 and 7 seconds. Go to 7 seconds and again drag the null object little bit up. At last, make keyframes at 9 and 10 seconds. Go to 10 second and again drag the null object up. Paste the graph at all movements. And you are done. We have made the message coming animation. Now just delete the background layer. By this process, you can make a smooth message animation. In the next video, we will learn about how to do motion tracking to make this final animation. So subscribe now to get notified for the second part.